Measuring for a range hood. To ensure proper ventilation, your range hood should be as wide as, or greater than, the width of the cooktop. The gap distance between the range hood and the cooktop should be approximately 30 to 36 inches. To determine the overall finished height of the range hood, measure the distance from the cooktop to the desired top position of the range hood installation. Subtract the desired gap distance from this measurement to determine the overall finished height of the range hood. The following tools will be needed during the installation of your range hood: measuring tape, level, drill, proper fasteners. We recommend using a licensed contractor for the installation of your range hood. Once the range hood has arrived, remove the metal corner bracing and packaging, and detach the hood from the pallet as shown. To protect from damaging the underside of the hood, leave the shipping plates attached to the base of the hood until installation of the hood is complete. Installing the range hood. Check the overall width and vertical spacing of the mounting brackets on the backside of the range hood to ensure there is no conflict with the exhaust duct or electrical connection. Locate and mark the midpoint and top position of the range hood, as well as all studs within the range hood space. Remove the top magnetic mounting bracket from the back of the range hood and place the magnets to the side. Secure the mounting bracket at the top position of the range hood. Ensure the bracket is level and centered before securing it to the wall. Place the magnets back on the mounting bracket. Lift the range hood into position on the magnetic bracket and secure it to the studs through the mounting slots on the back of the range hood. We recommend you secure at least 2 screws per stud. Once the range hood is secure, remove the shipping plates and insert the vent liner into the cutout in the underside of the hood. This liner installation is for demonstration purposes only. Refer to your specific liner's installation instructions, as well as local building regulations, to ensure your liner is properly installed. Thank you for taking the time to watch our range hood measuring and installation guide. If you have any questions or experience any difficulties during the installation process, our customer service team is available to guide you through this process and answer any questions you may have.